Welcome to the Excel store. Today we will learn how to create your invoice or other document using the Excel invoice. Click on the New Invoice button to create a new invoice, or you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus S. You can create other types of documents from other buttons. In Party Master form, you can create a new party or you can select an existing party. Please note party name is mandatory but other fields are optional. You can also verify the GST number and copy the name and address. Click on the New Invoice button. You will see the item master. Here you can type or select an item from the list. Click on the Add Item button. Otherwise, close this form. You can also type your item or service name directly on the Excel sheet. You can add as many items as you wish. Type to quantity and rate. All other fields will be calculated automatically. After adding all items, click on the Save button at top of the document. Once you click on the Save button, you will see the amount in words and GST amount will be calculated. If there would any calculation error, then Excel will warn you and display your error in red color. You can correct it before printing. If you have very few items, you can delete extra rows from the Item Master form. If you have disabled auto pop from company setting, then Item Master will open on clicking the last row of the invoice. You can also add rows from Item Master. If you have a different GST rate, then subtotal of each rate will be displayed at last. Rate-wise summary will also be displayed at the bottom of the invoice if you have enabled it from the company setting. Click on Save before exiting the invoice. You can go back to the dashboard by clicking on the Home at the left top of the invoice, or you can press the Alt plus Home button. Your invoice will be displayed on the dash. You can again switch to an invoice by clicking on the invoice number. Once your invoice is ready, you can directly send it to your client's email address in PDF format. Your party should have a valid email. If you are not sure, double-click on the Bill To button. Party Master will open and you can correct the email. If you want to delete an invoice, click on the Delete Doc button, or you can press Alt plus Shift plus D. Your invoice will be deleted from the system. Please do not delete the invoice if you have recorded its payment, otherwise data will be lost. Finally, you can record payment for the invoice from a dashboard or from the invoice by pressing Alt plus Shift plus P. In the payment form, you can select a party. All pending invoices will display in the list. You can choose payment mode and generate a slip.